HVAC units, different types of equipment to look forward to. Before looking into the actual list of HVAC units, it is best to know what HVAC is all about. HVAC actually stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning. These three functions are combined all together to form one system and are used in order to construe with modern construction requirements for the home and for business establishments. They are specifically attributed for the cooling and dehumidification of certain systems. Among a list of HVAC systems, the central HVAC is highly favored because they are convenient and quiet. HVAC units revolve through time and have developed according to modernization techniques that they have fully adapted. The most common problem that was attached to traditional systems is the cost. However, more establishments and homes are enjoying these machines today because cost-effective solutions are formulated together with energy considerations. Here is a list of products under HVAC systems. HVAC fans and blowers. Under the HVAC system, HVAC fans and blowers are those that are used in air movement. They are very crucial in air handling systems as they bring fresh air into different constructions. They may be mounted to an outer wall or even above a ceiling. In some instances, they may be used as a part of a duct fan. The most common types of products under these categories are ventilation fans, plenum fans, roof fans, duct blowers, inline fans, centrifugal blowers and vane axial fans. Ultraviolet light systems. There are many purposes served by ultraviolet systems aside from the actual protection of homes and building from the heat of the sun. These HVAC units are used in curing and material identification purposes as well as in forensic location, material processing and disinfection. In some particular industries, ultraviolet radiation is used in the initiation of chemical reactions to cure adhesives, resins and coatings. In others, the fluorescent response is employed to determine materials present in markers or inks, chemicals and minerals. Specifically, they are applied in coating and paint testing, weathering, optical component testing and UV curing. Other types of products. HVAC chillers and HVAC controllers are also popular types of HVAC units. HVAC chillers are more of refrigeration systems employed in industrial and commercial purposes. These systems work through the aid of water, refrigerants, oils and other fluids. HVAC controllers on the other hand are those used in monitoring HVAC systems in buildings specifically to monitor environmental factors indoors. Some factors that this system can monitor are temperature and heat. This results to regulation of warmth and coldness of air flowing inside a business establishment. Buy, sell and save on industrial products. Visit our industrial equipment virtual trade show, arrivenews.com, to view online exhibitors of industrial tools, machines and equipment. Find bargain deals from suppliers of HVAC units and allied products and services showcased on the International Industrial Trade Show, IITS. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/richard_c._milton/3247220